So a customer of ours sent us this car and he said, make it into a Super Cooper. And hey guys. And once we started looking at it, we just realized that we cannot tear apart this car. It's just perfect. If you're looking for a car that you can drive now and you don't want to wait a year and a half for us to get you in line, get that one. It's bitchin'. I'm just about to post it onto the website, and I'm sure it'll go pretty quick.
Something about it next to other full-size cars, you know?
You like it?
It's brand new.
Almost. Totally restored.
I want it.
Can't have it.
Undo this. This is on.
Yeah.
The lights don't fall off.
Well, that helps. So what happens is when they're racing these cars, sometimes rocks will hit the window here. And what this does is it makes it so it doesn't break the glass.